Good morning, grade 5. My name is Poitomel Mkweda, your social science teacher. Today we're playing Kahoot based on the physical features of South Africa. Okay, looking at geography. All right, so I'm going to take you through how to join the Kahoot game. Okay, for those who don't know, this is what you should do. You should know that today our Kahoot will be based on the physical features of South Africa. We'll look at South Africa from above, the physical features, rivers, physical features, and human activities. Okay, so in order to join the game, you need 2 devices, or you can split your screen on your phone or laptop. You need 2 devices, or you can split your screen on your laptop. Alternatively, you can use the Zoom group chat. If you have any question, use the group chat if you have any questions, okay? And then your first device should be the Zoom class. It should be like this. Your first device should be the Zoom class. And then your second device should be the web browser, okay? Go to Google, write Kahoot it. Go to Google and write Kahoot it, and then join here, okay? Go to Google and write Kahoot it, and then you join, okay? Google Kahoot it, and then you join. And then this is what's going to happen. Your first device will show you the game pin, which I'm going to show you not so long. We'll show you the game pin, and then your second device will show you, it will be like this, okay? You must enter the game pin, okay? This is not the pin. I'm still going to give you the pin. And then this is how it's gonna be like. Your first device will have the questions, and then the second device is where you are going to answer, okay? Your second device is where you are going to answer. Your first device is where you are going to get the questions. One device, the Zoom class, remember? And then the second one, it's the one that you are going to answer the question. Any questions? Jordan?
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the pin. The pin number. It is 890767, ma'am.
Yes, it's on the screen. Thank you very much, Jordan.
Ma'am, but I'm still learning how to play this game, ma'am.
Yes, it's a simple game, you'll see.
Okay, ma'am.
Faith, what's your question?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm using one device, so I was able to share the screen. So I have one on the other side, Kahoot, the game, and the Zoom on the other side.
Yes, did you manage to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay, good, good, good. You can join the game. There is the pin, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Cool. Come on. Kia Mokgetse.
Ma'am,
Yes?
if you don't have Kahoot, what must you do?
No. You go to Google. You go to Google, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
And write, you see on the screen, it says join at www.kahoot.it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Write www.kahoot.it, and then you log in using that link, and then you'll be fine. You don't have to download the app.
Okay.
Yes, just go to Google and write this www.kahoot it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And download the app. Thank you. Tafiga? Tafiga?
Sorry, ma'am. I wanted to ask for the pin.
Okay, you have it. Okay, nice. Thank you, Tafiga. Go.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the question? I didn't quite get it, ma'am.
Which question?
I mean the how we join in Kahoot, ma'am.
Okay, go to Google. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to Google and write Kahoot it. Copy what's on your screen, Kahoot it, and then you'll be able to join.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you having two devices?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, cool. Lele? At 10 past, we are.
Ma'am, how can you split a screen on a computer, ma'am?
How do I?
How can you split a screen on a computer?
Okay, you see what is this? Okay, let me think about it. Let me try to split mine and then I'm going to tell you how I'm doing it. Ne?
Okay, ma'am.
Cool. Leah. Bulel.
Ma'am, can you please wait for me? I'm restarting my laptop because I don't know what's going on with it, and I'm struggling to log on to Kahoot.
Okay, quickly do that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait for you. Jordan?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I'm using one device for this Kahoot IT. So, ma'am, would it work with it or not?
I can hear you.
Ma'am, I'm only using one device. Daddy. Ma'am,
For computer
for the Kahoot, ma'am.
are you using a phone, laptop or phone?
I'm using a laptop, ma'am. I'm only using one device, but I can see yours. But I was just wondering, would it work without or with, ma'am?
I can hear you.
Ma'am, I was just asking, would it work with one device?
Yes, it will work.
Oh, thanks, ma'am.
I'm going
Because
to
this is my first time playing it, ma'am.
Okay, wait a moment. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, guys, for those who are using laptops, this is what you can do. Press the left mouse button on your keyboard. Okay, press the left arrow button on your keyboard, and then you also grab the Windows button as well. Okay, press the left arrow button, and then you also press the Windows button. It will split your screen and then you open Google. And then you also press the right button and then the Windows. It will do the same thing, I think. Bulelwa.
Ma'am, it's still loading to go into Google. But
Okay.
it's going there. It's going there now, ma'am. I just need to type in Kahoot.
Okay, cool.
Yes. So, ma'am, I think I'm gonna need about 2 minutes or so.
Okay, we
Ma'am, ma'am, an easier way to do it is, ma'am, to split your screen, ma'am, is if you have two tabs open and it's full screen, ma'am, then you just go to the, the, the option on top by your Zoom meeting. In the middle, next to the X, there's one in the middle. So you press that, and then you drag your tab to the in at the bottom of your screen, and then you'll see there's lines there. And then when you let go of it, it will split your screen like that.
come again.
And I'm saying you can do an easy way of splitting your screen, ma'am. If you have one tab that's as big as your phone or laptop, there is a option on top. Yes, ma'am, there where you are now, and you
Yeah.
press that, and then
Um.
you drag your tab, the the the, the app that you're using, drag it right to the bottom, and you'll see there's a big block there, and you can just let go, and then it'll be off the split of your screen, ma'am.
Okay, guys, you should do what I'm doing now. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm just entering the codes. I'm entering the code, ma'am.
No problem.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Zako?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you please tell us how to play this game? For those who don't know it, ma'am.
It's very simple. It's very simple. This is what we are going to do. Let me do this. It's very simple. Okay, you have two devices, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is what you are going to do. Wait a moment. Okay, this is what will happen now. Your first device must show you something like this, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the second one, it should be this one.
Yes, ma'am.
And then this is how it's gonna be like. Your other device will request the game pin, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And then this is how you're going to play it, okay? Your second device, this is where you are going to answer your questions, okay? So
Yes, ma'am. So we answer the question by the phone
yes,
or the
but
second device we have.
yeah, the second device that you are having, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The questions will appear on the Zoom class device, okay? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
for you to choose which answer is correct, either gas, solid, or liquid, and then you look at the color, okay? If your answer is gas, and then you are going to click on this pink color, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool, sharp.
No, what?
Okay, we have 20 players. Okay, Luanda, I see you. Kiamokgetse?
Ma'am. Nick see your nickname on the screen. It doesn't show me what you see.
Yeah, it means you're in. You are in.
But then how can I play because I was tapping on the screen doesn't like.
I have to start it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you have to wait for me to start the game.
Okay.
Cool. Guys, we're out of time. Faith, what's wrong?
Ma'am, I just wanted to say that if you're using a device, there's this square block and you just have to hold on it and it's split for you. And then if you want to go, then you press and zoom and then you find your two things you need, the game and the device.
The square that I'm pointing right now, right?
No, ma'am, on a phone.
Oh, on a phone. Okay. Okay. Let's hear others. Amanda.
Ma'am, basically, if you want to split your screen on the Windows or on your laptop, you can basically go back to the Zoom class where we are right now. We're facing your screen, right? So
Yeah.
then we double tap the full screen, and then we tap the minimize button up there.
Yes, this
Then
one.
when you no, the minimize, ma'am, the one there, yes, yes. You do like that for the Zoom class where we're looking at right now. Then after that, it'll show in a small screen, and then you'll also be on the page where you were logging in when you were playing Kahoot right now.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So,
Ma'am, now I was gonna say something like that, ma'am, but you can also do it like this, ma'am. So you see she says the minimize button, right, ma'am? You see the one on the right from that. The minimize button is there where you are now. Just go right, the little right, ma'am, to the one in the middle,
okay.
and you press that, ma'am,
Yes.
and then you drag this to the half of your screen,
Okay.
and then it will pop. Then these tab, if you had more than one tab open, then you will see them on the other side of the screen. You can click on the one that you want if you're using a laptop.
Yes, nice. Thank you very much. Okay, two learners left. Two learners left. We are starting in 1 minute. Okay, we have 24 participants and 4, 25, 26. Only two. Two left. Two to go. Two to go. Okay, we are about to start now. Is there someone who's not in yet? You can write on the group chat and say, I'm not in. If you are not in yet, you can write on the group chat and say you are not in. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, start. Get this. Okay, only 6 people got the answer. The sea is flat and the sea level is measured 0 meter. It is measured 0 meter, not 1,000 meter, not 0 milliliter, not 0 centimeter. It is measured 0 meter. Thank you. Sakura, you're leading. Kiamukhetsi, you're second. Akani, you are third. Nice one. The height that a place is above sea level, it is described as the altitude. True. Agani, nice. Okay, the land is completely flat. No, the land is never completely flat. So the answer is false. Okay, we have the escarpment, we have the plateau, we have the coastal plain. So the land is never flat. Yes, nice. Majority of you got the answer correct. The coastal plain is a low area that is along the coast, okay? The altitude of, at an altitude of between 0 to 500 meters, okay? So thanks. Very nice. Fantastic. The plateau is a higher, flatter area in the interior, okay? Inside the country. Nice, nice. Thank you, guys. Lisedi, you're on fire. Nice. The escarpment is where the land rises steeply between the coastal plain and the plateau. Yes, it's where the land rises steeply. Okay, nice one. Lisedi, good, good, good. You're doing good. Agani, you're also doing good. AKA Prince, you are also doing good. Okay. Fantastic. Although South Africa is a dry area, is a dry country, it has many rivers. Yes, South Africa has a lot of rivers. That's true. Okay. Nice, Lisedi. Akani, aka Prince. Doing good. Fantastic. Some rivers are big and flow all year. Others rivers flow only in rainy seasons. Yes, that's correct. Some rivers flow all year and other rivers flow only in rainy seasons. We have learned about the different types of those rivers. Okay, nice. Seri, nice one. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Rivers can change the land as they flow. Yes, because they wash away soil and eventually form deep valleys. Nice. That's true. Seri, you good. AKA Prince, doing good. Dorito Queen, you are also doing good. Rivers don't really don't always flow downward towards the sea. So they flow upwards. For those who are saying true, are you telling me that they flow upwards? Rivers always flow downwards. Okay, so this answer is false. Rivers flow downwards to the sea